Hey, Austin here. Today I'm going to show you how to get up and running with Rust on your Windows subsystem for Linux 2, or at least on the Ubuntu distribution. So, press your Windows key, open up Ubuntu. Alright, and then we'll navigate to whatever folder we want to open VS Code in. So let's just go CD projects, and we'll do a code, space, and a period. Press enter. All right, we're in our projects directory here in VS Code, hooked up to WSL2 for Ubuntu. And then next, we need to run the Rust install command in our bash here. So I'm going to copy it from over here. I'll put it on the screen, but also put it in the description for you so you can copy it nice and easy. This is from the Rustlang website. And this is a specific script for WSL2. So press this in here, press enter, and it's going to ask me which option to pick. I'm going to pick number 1 for proceed with installation, press enter. All right, it's installing all the standard Rust tooling. Next, it's going to make sure you configure your current shell to include Rust. So I'm actually going to just copy this command here, paste it, press enter, so that should be good to go. And then to make sure your Rust is installed correctly here, you type in rust c-version. It shows our current Rust version of 1.63.0, or whichever one yours is. As long as it shows a version number, it means you did it right. And then the next step is to actually install, if you haven't done this before, install a C compiling toolchain. So in Ubuntu, or for Debian, I believe, for all Debian distributions, you should be able to do sudo apt install build-essential. I think I've already done this on here before, so it will ask me for my password. Yep, but if you hadn't done it before, then you just need to type that in and then put in your password and follow any prompts, and it'll just install the new C compiler, which Rust needs in order to properly build out its packages. Now, once that is all done, then we can actually start a new Rust project. So let's do cargo new, and then say Rust tutorial. And cargo is a Rust tool that helps you quickly build out projects. So it includes stuff like package files and build tools and stuff like that. So go ahead and press enter, and it creates our Rust tutorial. We can see the folder up here, and so we'll change directory into it. Tutorial, and then we have our source file, so we go into source, and then it should just be main.rs, and so we will go code space main.rs. Okay, and that opens main.rs above here in our window. So you can see it's just a normal hello world function. And let's just run it and make sure that it's that everything's all good to go with Rust. So we'll do cargo build. Okay, built and cargo run, and we print out hello world. That's it, short and sweet for today. So hopefully this tutorial is helpful to get you up and running with Rust on WSL2. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, and give it a like if this helped out, and a subscribe for any future videos. Thanks, appreciate it.